What if death wasn't inevitable? AI in medicine is moving faster than anyone imagined, predicting diseases before symptoms appear, designing treatments tailored to your DNA, and even discovering drugs faster than entire teams of scientists ever could. This isn't futuristic speculation, it's happening now, and it could redefine life and longevity as we know it. In this video, we're breaking down how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, the breakthroughs that could extend human life, and what ethical and societal challenges come with trying to solve death. Before we get started, if you want to see how technology is fighting the one enemy we all face, hit subscribe. This is where medicine meets the future. The drug discovery revolution. Creating a new drug used to take 10 to 15 years and cost billions of dollars. Scientists had to test millions of chemical combinations, most of which failed. It was slow, expensive, and incredibly inefficient. AI is changing everything. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze millions of molecular structures in days, predicting which ones might work as medicines before any physical testing begins. In 2020, researchers at MIT used AI to discover a powerful new antibiotic called halicin. The AI screened over 100 million molecules in just 3 days. It found a compound that kills bacteria in completely new ways, even drug-resistant superbugs that nothing else can touch. This same discovery would have taken a team of scientists years or decades using traditional methods. And this isn't a one-time thing. AI has discovered potential treatments for diseases ranging from liver cancer to COVID-19 at speeds that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Companies like DeepMind, the AI lab owned by Google, are using AI to predict protein structures, which is crucial for understanding diseases and designing drugs. They solved a 50-year-old problem in biology that won countless scientific prizes. We're talking about compressing decades of research into months or even weeks. How AI sees what humans miss. Here's what makes AI so powerful in medicine. The human body is incredibly complex. A single cell contains billions of molecules interacting in ways we barely understand. Diseases like cancer involve thousands of genes and proteins working together in chaotic patterns. Human doctors and scientists are brilliant, but they can only process so much information at once. AI doesn't have that limitation. Machine learning models can analyze patterns across millions of patient records, genetic sequences, and medical images simultaneously. They spot connections that no human would ever see. AI can look at a scan of your retina and predict if you're at risk for heart disease, diabetes, or Alzheimer's years before symptoms appear. It does this by finding tiny patterns in blood vessels that human doctors can't detect with the naked eye. In cancer treatment, AI analyzes tumor genetics and predicts which treatments will work best for each specific patient. Instead of trying treatments one by one and hoping something works, doctors can now personalize medicine based on what AI predicts will be most effective. This isn't replacing doctors, it's giving them superpowers. The war against cancer. Cancer has been humanity's nightmare for generations. We made progress, but it still kills millions every year. AI is becoming our most powerful weapon in this fight. Traditional cancer treatment is brutal. Chemotherapy kills cancer cells but also damages healthy cells, making patients sick. The problem is cancer is not one disease. It's thousands of different diseases that all behave differently. AI is helping us understand each cancer at the molecular level. It analyzes the specific mutations in a patient's tumor and matches them to treatments that target those exact changes. Some AI systems can now predict how tumors will evolve and develop resistance to drugs, letting doctors stay one step ahead. Researchers are using AI to design completely new cancer drugs from scratch. The AI generates molecular structures that have never existed before, specifically engineered to attack cancer cells while leaving healthy cells alone. Early trials of AI-designed drugs are showing incredible promise. We're also seeing AI enable earlier detection. Some algorithms can spot cancer in medical images months or years before human radiologists would catch it, and catching cancer early dramatically improves survival rates. Cracking the aging code. Now here's where it gets really wild. Some scientists think aging itself is a disease we can cure, and AI might be the key. Aging happens because our cells accumulate damage over time. DNA gets corrupted, proteins stop working right, and our bodies slowly break down. But what if we could stop or even reverse that process? AI is analyzing the biology of aging at a level of detail that was never possible before. It's identifying the specific genes, proteins, and cellular pathways that control how we age. Companies are using AI to screen thousands of compounds looking for drugs that slow aging. Some promising candidates are already in human trials. There's a field called senolytics, which focuses on drugs that clear out old damaged cells that accumulate as we age. AI is accelerating the discovery of these compounds dramatically. We're also seeing AI help with regenerative medicine. Scientists are using machine learning to figure out how to regrow organs, repair tissue, and restore function to damaged parts of the body. Imagine a future where you could regrow a kidney instead of waiting for a transplant. What immortality actually means. True immortality is unlikely, but radical life extension, adding decades or even centuries, is becoming possible. AI could cure diseases, slow aging, and regenerate tissue, potentially letting people live 150 to 200 years. But who gets access? If it's only for the wealthy, inequality will soar. Longer lifespans also raise social challenges: work, retirement, overpopulation, and resources. The science is advancing faster than our understanding of its consequences. The challenges we can't ignore. AI in medicine isn't perfect and has risks. It can be biased if trained on limited data, sometimes performing worse for minority patients. AI also makes mistakes, so human oversight is essential. Privacy is a concern, since AI needs huge amounts of patient data. And regulation is tricky. Speeding up AI drug approvals could save lives but also risk safety. The hope on the horizon. The potential is staggering. AI could make cancer manageable, stop Alzheimer's before it strikes, and slow aging so 70 feels like 40. AI-discovered drugs and AI-assisted diagnoses are already saving lives. The combination of AI, genetics, and biotech is creating a medical revolution, letting us understand and rewrite life itself. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. The question isn't if medicine will transform, but how fast and whether we're ready. Your role in this future. This isn't just happening in labs, it affects you. AI in medicine needs volunteers, diverse data, and public support. Stay informed, ask how AI is used in your healthcare, and demand ethical, accessible development. Support policies and leaders who fund research and regulate AI responsibly. The future of medicine and tools to extend health and life depends on all of us. What makes AI in medicine revolutionary isn't just speed or precision. It's the possibility of dramatically extending life itself. But the road is complex. Ethics, inequality, and unforeseen consequences are all part of the equation. The technology may be ready, but society isn't fully prepared. So tell me, would you want AI to extend your life if it could? Or are some limits of humanity meant to stay? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video gave you a glimpse into the future of healthcare and the fight against mortality, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone fascinated by the cutting edge of science. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.